Hello, today's video is going to be about Zoho Payroll. So, starting from the overview, here we can see that we have a left sidebar where we have a dashboard. Basically, this is the main overview screen which is currently open. This shows the the setup progress, whatever we have set up about our company, and upcoming pay runs and compliance reminders and payroll health. So basically we use this for our dashboard. Next we have is employees. Here we can basically add our employee. If we have a Excel sheet, we can import from here. And after that, we can once we have our list here, we can manage our employees profile. We can add, edit, or deactivate employees from here. After that, here we have is pay run. Here we can actually see the payroll process, how it is happening. Also, here we get the options of running the payroll cycle monthly, weekly. From here, we will also get to know the earnings, so we can calculate earnings, deduction, and taxes automatically. Also, this module gives us the option to generate the salary slips, uh, bank transfer statements, and accounting general entries. After that, here we have is approval. So basically, this is a workflow for payroll related approvals. Here, managers, admins can approve pay runs, reimbursement, loans, and other financial requests before release. This also help to maintain control compliances in payroll processing. After that, here we have Form 16. Uh, so basically, this is a tax compliance section for employees. It automatically generates Form 16. So basically, that is annual income tax statement for salaried employees. It ensures compliance with Indian IT laws by consolidating salary and TDS. So TDS is our tax deducted at source. After that, here we have loan. So this module is to manage employee loans and advances. This record loans, request, disbursement, repayment schedules, automatically deduct EMI from monthly salaries. Also, it tracks our outstanding balance of employees. Next, we have module of giving. So this is like here we can create campaign if we are like creating it for a good cause, we can create it here. So it is something like a donation feature. It lets employer donate to cause directly via payroll. It also integrates with partner like NGO charities. Donation also reflect in payroll deduction. Next we have is document. So here we have a centralized document repository. It store employees related compliances, documents, payslips, tax form, offer letters, and HR's agreement. Apart from that, employee can also access download their documents via self-service. Next we have is reports. So here you will get to see all the comprehensive payroll reports. Example like we have payroll summary, salary registered, monthly salary statement. Same way others. It also helps us to audit financial analysis and compliance check. Report we can usually like export this in Excel form too. Here we get an option to export, so we can export this from here. So that's all about the payroll. Uh, if you like my video, please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.